let's start today's lesson. For this one, I'm not going straight. I will go a little bit tilted this direction, and after that it's kind of like a candy cane style, and I will turn this one this direction, not going in. It will go a little bit wider here. Now I can see this is kind of like a straight here, and this turning here and turning here. So this point and this point we will mark here, and from here I will go and I will go up like a heart shape. Now we will start from this point. We will again go a little bit up here like this. And from this point we have to go here. So a little bit wiggly and we can come here. So this line, if I will come this line all the way here, so we can start from here and a little bit curvy here, and same thing I will start from here, curvy. Now erase these ones, make it a little bit wiggly. Let's do double line over here.